Hi, I'm Mrs. May. I'm the UCS K-12 Art Department System-Wide Co-Chair and an art teacher at Henry Ford II. Bob and I would like to take a moment to congratulate you on getting your artwork into the Secondary Showcase Virtual Art Show. In addition to displaying your artwork, we're inviting you to share some information about your piece. You will have the option to record yourself using the FlipGrid app. Mr. Hallam has created a video showing you how to do that. Your video will be 15 to 30 seconds long, and if you don't feel comfortable showing your face, you can just point your phone camera at your artwork instead of at you. Your teacher will give you a code to use with this app and a script to help you talk about your art. Your short clip might sound something like this. Hi, I'm Amy May. I'm in 12th grade at Henry Ford II High School. I did this chalk pastel drawing in my Drawing and Painting 2 class. It is of a dragon fruit. I really enjoyed learning a new technique, such as painting with chalk pastel instead of just drawing with it. That's it. That's all your video might sound like. We, Bob and I, as along with other people, look forward to seeing your video to go along with your art. And again, congratulations.
Hi, and welcome to Utica Community Schools' first annual Virtual Art Fair. Congratulations on getting your piece of artwork nominated. My name's Trapper Hallam, and I'm the technology coach within the district. I'm here to show you how you're going to submit your piece. So without any further ado, let's take a look at the app called FlipGrid, which is where you're going to submit your work.
We're going to start by going to your App Store. This is done on Android, but you can also do the same thing on iOS. Once your App Store is open, go ahead and search for FlipGrid and click to install. Once you've installed it, you can go ahead and click it to open. Now that we have the app installed, let's go ahead and take a look at how to enter the code for your school so that you could submit your artwork. If you don't have the app already open, let's go ahead and navigate to it and open FlipGrid, as you can see here. Your art teacher will give you a code for the school submission form. As you can see here at the top of the app, there's a spot that says Enter Join Code. Go ahead and enter that code right there and click Go. Next, you'll see a prompt. Please choose Join with Microsoft to sign in to the FlipGrid account. Make sure that you're using your Utica email and your ITS password. Now you have access to your school's art submission page. Double check the top header to make sure that it has your school in the title. Next, let's take a look at what it actually looks like to use FlipGrid to submit your artwork for the Virtual Art Fair. Once you're ready, open the app and go to the Add Response button at the bottom. To start recording, click the ring circle at the bottom. Now, click the camera switch button in the top right corner to flip your camera around and show your artwork. Make sure you talk about it here and talk about all of the genius that you put into it. When you're done recording, click pause and next to go to the editing menu. In the edit screen, you can crop your video, you can flip your video, or even rotate it to get it just right. In the final step, go ahead and put your full first and last name into the display name, and then in the description, give a title of your artwork. And then click Submit. You're all set. Now you can click Return to Topic and see your FlipGrid on the page. Take a look at some others. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.